So I ordered some nature spare because I have trichotillomania, which is a hair pulling disorder. I actually got this through Superdrug because it was cheaper. I got the bundle which includes shampoo, conditioner, and the oil. As you can see, I'm clearly struggling to get the oil out of the bag. So yeah, let's hope that this helps. Here are some videos to show you the aftermath. The split hair, unevenness, and I'm turning now, I'm literally bald, look. Looking at that makes me feel so sad and depressed and disgusting. Wish me luck, guys.